namba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Mwanzo murigereria ngorengia nga watwarira mugasore oyo mutorero kigima karibu sana na inde elinde tenyara gusanga kiro turacho kumanya ari agenderete gukorekana na boigo gwateka korwa chinsemo korwa ikasoro ngorwa gusi na boigo korwa serikali enene ngoruko Matilda obaigwa veni nyaboke okoretera ya ase inchira yebimanyero karibu sana chinsemo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube Getembe TV nyare gusanga nentose kionga chinse ikomi ichabono omaragoba na ne kirongo chaka korwa serikali enene umukonyi bumurai ase kiama ya Jubilee umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigobono aenekire buna ekiamekyo ngere no bosibole bugusanga ne byama binde kaukona korase omuche o Nairobi nigobono atebire obosibole bwe byama no bwengencho as na kera ekiama na boke konyara gusanga na kende gyonsi aiga asense ya Kenya na boigo muliki omonene asense moyae oyo ole omoske Jeremiah Kioni nere nigate bire chibesa chichi campaign chobochori bwo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2022 nigo chanyarete gutume kwa asinchira etare ngendonge iyo yairete ekiama kerigia ODM kegutenenerwa nere omoske nyagusira Raila Odinga tigia chikoira asie obochori obo.
We collaborate a lot with a lot of parties. As you know, we are members of the United Opposition. By a decision of the NEC, it's not an individual decision, by a decision of the NEC in Jubilee. And we continue working with all our colleagues and parties in the United Opposition, very respectively, working towards a point at which we will discuss the presidential candidature and what will happen in our participation in the elections in 2027. And all that we are doing with full respect and understanding that in democratic practice, people have rights to express themselves, have rights to belong, have rights to associate and engage however they choose to engage. Our party leader too, despite the fact that he's a retired head of state, he has a right to engage, he has a right to participate. After all, it makes nonsense of our claim to be a multi-party democracy if we are going to frown at the views of others or the participation of others. So we would like to request our colleagues in the national leadership. We believe they have much more work to do that they need to spend time on.
Fundraising resources were being given to the party, Azimio Party, for purposes of being used for the purpose they were intended, including payment of agents. One of the individuals who is in charge of managing those affairs is the SG. And you know who the SG of Azimio is and was and is even today. If we had managed it well, there is every likelihood that Lyra would be in state house alive, having secured proper medical attention when he became unwell.
Mwanjo murigere na kurase wizara y'ichisemi kirobono chisukuru kigenderete kuigurwa ewiki yiga nigobono abaibori bagenderete gusanga ebirengerero byabo igoro yo murobiri yo bukwirana chisukuru ne kirobono abange bagotabuna rigoriro bugima nigori akongire eyo kwirana nonye ne school fees na boigo ebinto biri aborkiwa baganete kwenda nabyo chisukuru bono ugokonga nensemo yende nigo baboliri abarimo banene ebichisukuru banyarukone kibuna tibari kwirania abana chinka ekirobanyare wekase skulu echo asoko batoma ya school fees.
January yaikire abaibori bana nende twanyorete shocking kego kwa sababu ntu atenga sana on December abana bato minyoki sana igore chiange chiabo chi 3D chwareta chi t-shirt ne jeans chiari chibese ita abaibori sana abana batu achiko batebi igore ana January nero tokamachiko sana na abana bono 3D chiba chiebete bono bachakira mangane school
bigo ngo saba bandere babonsi pia se baeta ekere kwa igure kwarosire kuranje naboko tebyo yondago konye egere nto base kunya komeki chi accident chitaiyo asepara jo abaibori bandete kurigi bese chiku bakoirera abana esukuru bono no yokorine gari ase bono iga no yomoyo mase ngenjo bese njiyo jikorine rugari na bese njiyo monta akora shopping egera abana baende esukuru
abantu mbatiri mbogete sana lakini torabara bagotira tima itinki kiabete igoto go sabana na abiria barenka kaki nchumo ende Nairobi nchumo ira abana skuru na intu tonyore chibese chieno tutomera abana skuru.
Wanafunzi wakiingia kwa shule tafadhali walimu msifukuze wanafunzi. Kuna manamba za wazazi wetu wako ziko kwa shule, tafadhali tupigie, isiwe tena mwanafunzi anafika shuleni tena anafukuzwa anarudishwa nyumbani mara tunampata anahangaika hapa town. Tujaribu kucommunicate
kwa sababu kwa ne kwarenge government erete buna chibasari echi mapema abaibori baikigwa pra egere bakonye kase school fees wano kagete ngocha gocha chire mapema egere abaibori mbanyo.
Wancho murigire na korwase kaunti ya Nyamira ni gobono mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Masaba omuske Clive Ombane igisairo bono anyare kogendera no murubiri oye bugusira chisemi ime ye bunge yo ka ukwana chinga kichoko igora ebirasi na boigo chinyumba cyo chenu ase chinsemo cha Kirongo eyo gutoka ime ward ya Kemera ni gobono anyare kogikiria igatia burai bali banyare ko koba bagutara mangana bagutarira engana buna tarikoena na chibasari uchasa borokiwa bakurwa chinsemecho korende nekiro aririra yugo chokona kibuna nainane chibasari gochasi aborokiwa bonsi ase emyaka yonsi iliaranyare koba avisi una omojumbe
abantu bane mbamanyete ikikere ebasari nkorutore omwaka oyo 2026 ebasari nkorutore 2027 ebasari gisairo nko bahare 2028 ebasari nkonyora mole 2029 gisairo nko bahare basari 2030 2031 nko bahande basari 2032 nko babekera ande basari bono kurwa bu monta biko sene chibasari mutaite ngendere koru gosenke inande morantome gochi ntakoleta magendero eko bakongusana kumurwani mwanya kondora kingo cha matanga nchake siasa mwanya kondora esenge ncha matanga ori no moyega we kanisa kumusabira nyagosira ne family talibo siasa yane na ende na enkoligi osene na enkoligi kegari twisaransa mwakea muna lero mokete inchekera litukonda itokwana n'abantu bane nino mogo
Wancho murigire ko kwanera mangana siasa ya ODM kubwatekana ano kungusanana okukwabirwo kwenekiwa ase kiamekyo ni gobono abo bwatane bikiamekyo gya ODM okurwasi county ya Kilifi bono basabire amasikani ase abarai bonsi nigo batebire munakira umrai nigo ale uyubwengenjo ase kiamekyo na igo nerebuya kosikana obonsi nonye batari kurigereria amabagari kiroyo mabwate ase kiamekyo gya ODM.
Katika chama ama katika uongozi kila siku lazima heshima idumu. Na hakuna kiongozi ambaye ni mzuri, kiongozi yoyote hawezi kuwa mzuri kama kiongozi hana heshima. So respect is paramount katika uongozi in leadership na ningeomba viongozi wa ODM waweze kuheshimiana. Kama baba mwenyewe Raila Amolo Odinga aliweza kujua umuhimu wa kila mtu katika chama hiki. Tusikae tukidharauliana, tusikae tukirushiana maneno. Kila mtu yuko pale for a purpose, kila mtu ni kiongozi katika capacity yake, kila mtu amefika pale either kwa kura ama being nominated, lakini bado wewe ni kiongozi. So ningeomba kwamba respect iweze kuwa pale, watu waweze kuheshimiana. Kuna party structures. Kuna sababu kwa nini chama kiko na NDC Kwa nini chama kiko na Central Committee? Sasa kabla maneno hayajafika huku nje, kwa nini wanachama wa ODM, especially the leaders, wasiitane mwanzo katika boardroom meeting, wakaenda wakajadiliana yale ambayo yako pale, waweze kusikizana kabla hawajatoka huku nje? Party leader wetu saizi sisi ni Oburu Odinga. Oburu mnamuona yeye ni Gen Z. Na sisi hatutataka kwamba Oburu Odinga saizi apatiwe pressure na yeye pia labda tuende tukampoteze kwa sababu ya pressure zenye ambazo zinaendelea Kenya hii. Oburu Odinga yuko pale, let him be given that respect, watu waweze kuzungumza, tuwe na some sanity, tuwe kidogo na pressure ziweze kupungua, because at the end of the day sisi sote tumependa chama, tunapenda ODM, na kama sisi tutakwenda kusambaratika, then ODM will be the losers at the end of the day.
Pancho murigereria na kurwa ase chinsemo cha Transmara yukutoka ime ya county ya Narok ni gobono abamenye bensemo ya Angata Barikoi bono banyarire kwaka mbuya mono asukwira ni wako botoreru ase chinsemo icho niko batebire asukungsanana na bwigo chisegi echo cyabiri chikwanekiwa emyake mengi no nyamutuka mange mutuko aerire ni gobono chinka chinyingi chiatigara chitari no bomenyo chikabeka chiema ase chiskuru okorende kirobono bakubule buna serikali enyare kubasira asoko banyorera ase barabere irinde banyare kunganya kurwa ase chiskuru kolende nechinga kiecho nekiro babolire obotoereru banyare kwenekiwa egati yebisaku bimenyete ase chinsemecho elio koleta omorembe na boigo amagenderero.
Honorable here, we have children, we have old men and women who are not supposed to be in such a situation. We are asking the government to really fast track the process of seeing that these people are going back to their normal life, and also if there is means maybe to settle them somewhere apart from being in school, because schools are being so we are urging the government and all the agencies that are involved to make sure that they are settled in the quickest time possible. These issues have been occurring since time immemorial. Some of them are historical. We would like to urge them to sit down and amicably solve the problems that are there.
Wito wangu kwa jamii ya eneo hii, sisi tuelewane, watu waende shule, watu wafanye maendeleo. Naona factory tumeletewa, hiyo tukipikana na hii mambo kama hii haitakuwa, lakini tukielewana kila mtu atafaulu. Ningepongeza serikali kwanza kwa mambo ya curfew. Kitu ningependa tena kueleza serikali saa hii wafanye kitu ya pili ni kupeleka watu waende waishi makwao ili mashule ifunguliwe. Shule kama hii ya State Primary hakuna, sasa hatujui watu wataishi wapi, watoto wasome wapi. Na ni wakazi wa hapa, wanafunzi wao ndio wako kwa hii shule. Sisi tuliambiwa mrudi makwenu, lakini tunaona maaskari hawatoshi, maana mimi naona askari wanatembea kwa lami, pengine wanaenda kutafuta wale suspect wa mabunduki, wanatembelea kwa makwao, lakini wale ambao wanachunga wenyeji kwa nyumbani hawako, so askari wako wachache.
Mwancho murigire na kubotekana no kugwa kwa magacho okusegoroba yarenge yagenderete kwa gacho ase chinsemo chiri cha South Sea imeyo mochio Nairobi iyo yerete omuntu yo mugosire bugima bwae na bande gutigirwa chingoma nikobono umowaziri wa mangana yendemero omoske Alice Wahome bono anyarire kurira buna na chikuimukia gose goitrase wizara yae serikali ne chikuimukia getambo kiregetindi ochase abobwatane bali batenerete umurobero bwa magacho ayo kagotara ase chinsemecho nigo atebire magima y'abantu nigo agenderere kobe kwasa kongu kubatikana na kiribuna abamenyi bechinsemo na boigo abateneneri na contractors na boigo aba engineer bechinyomba tibali kubwatia amachiko ali abwenerete.
What will you do if a contractor or a developer is not complying? Of course, he should be prosecuted. I will deregister if I'm told that the contractor was the problem. I will deregister the contractor. I will suspend the license of the architect if I find through the report that he went 3 other floors or 1 extra floor without approval by NCA. I'm gonna deregister them. I don't want to preempt because I have technical teams that will tell me whether the developer should actually do a statement. You know, we don't want to preempt. You want a thorough job.
Mwancho muligirira nabo kogendera kuyarigania asumurubule bwekerorano ime ya Getembe TV asechi tageka chinke ekire bosyo mbia mono sana asogusangana itwe kubo mono sense meiga yekiunga na nekero kukuganiria ugendera kutwara obuligererio bya ngoro Matilda Oboigwa na Veni Nyaboke kurwa ase eve manyererio twara emaragoba ere entore rukigima.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ekiyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bali na mbeyemo asugutwara machine echekerero nebindebinge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeri bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange